Okay, hello. Welcome for our tutorial on how to use Bitget. Okay, so I have been asked by our community. So this is our community. Okay, so I drop signal here, 60 members. So it's weekend today. So there are new members coming in and I always give, they always ask, okay? So they keep asking how to how to trade in Bitget. So I'll drop the tutorial now. Okay, so this is Bitget and we have buy, futures, spot, trading strategy, markets, copy trading, earn, protection fund. So if you're trading, that would be here, futures. If you're following my signal, so that would be here, futures, USDTM futures. Okay, so you click this one and then you hide this. Okay, okay, BTC. Okay. So basically, if you are going to trade, what happens is, okay, for example, I give you a BTC. Okay, BTC. So I said, okay, let's try to copy a signal then. Just for example. Okay, this is the bot that drops the signal. So let's say we have 1701.76. This is the entry, Ethereum. What it says here is trigger order, close entry when not triggered after 10 minutes, new signal every hour. So our strategy is price action. So yeah. So we if there's a confirmed signal, then we drop a signal. Okay. So 1701.76. Let's try it now. Okay. Ethereum. Okay, so this is Ethereum. Isolated. Make sure this is an isolated, okay? Cross margin is will wipe out your whole account because it will not only use your current trade but also your current fund. So if you have a 10,000 account, then it will wipe out your whole account. If you sleep on it and then it goes the opposite direction, then that's dangerous. So we only use isolated. So if you put only a trade of $50, you're gonna use only $50 trade. Okay? Okay, and then confirm. So what's the signal? The signal is Ethereum short. So that means we are going to short the market. So short, this is the short, and then let's adjust the leverage. How much is the leverage is adjusted? Leverage is 55x. Okay. So leverage here, 55x, 100x, 55x. Okay, 55. Confirm. And then our setup is trigger order. So that would mean we gonna from limit, market, trailing stop loss, trigger. You can also find trigger in the app, okay, in the phone. Okay, so trigger. So trigger price would be how much would you want? Trigger is 1701.76. Okay, let's put it. 1701.76. Let me check again. 1701.76. Okay. And then execute. If I click the market price, if there is a massive move, quick move to the downside here, it will find best price to trigger. Okay, so usually we do the market order, but when you see that too much, the it's too much, the the fees is too much for us, so you can decide not to do the not to do the not to do the market order to save. Okay, let's adjust this one. Okay. Okay. So 1701. Let's say it's here. Uh, okay, something right here. Okay, something right here. And then if you want not to market, if I give you 1701, what you do 1701 point, let's say lower because this is short, 73. Okay? So a little lower. Okay, your range would be 76 to let's say 60. So this one you choose 73. Why? Because if I drop signal and 60 will follow my signal and we have the same entry, our entries will not be triggered. It always happens in our trade in the past. That's why others would result to market. If you really don't want to market, then you don't follow specific my entry. Because all of us, 60 people following my signal, it will not be triggered. The Bitget doesn't have much like waiting for that position. Okay? For example, in Bitcoin, if it's 125x, imagine if you are in $100 trade or let's say $200 trade and then 125x leverage, that's $25,000 trade. And let's say all of us will trade 60, 1.5 million. And you see the volume here, there's not even 1.5. Some are just in 500,000, 600, seldom to get 1.5. So that would mean most of the orders will not be triggered. So you better change your executed price. Like you move it 73, 74, 75. Not higher but lower because this is short. But if it's long, then that's higher. Okay, so if this is 76, then this is 77, 78, 79, something like that. Okay, and then you ask quantity, unit, cost value, nominal value. Your choice is cost value. Okay, this is our choice here. This is the simplest, easiest. Okay, cost value. And this is the one for us, fits for our strategy. Okay, okay. Okay, it's already 6 6 p.m. right now and time to give signal. Let me check if there is a confirm signal. Sorry for the let me check Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. This one is oh not. Okay, no confirmed. Let me message our community. I drop signal every hour. Okay? So you can expect me to drop signal every hour, every day, weekdays, and on weekends, not much because the stock market is closed. And so there is not much volume. So you see, we drop signal even on weekend. We got some good profit. Okay, so this is no confirmed signal. See you next hour. Okay, 6:01. Okay, let's go back to our tutorial. So now I'm teaching you how to follow the signal right away. Okay. 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 So signal 76, stop loss 1727.14. 1727.14. So you click the take profit stop loss 17, what's the stop loss area? 1727.14. This is take profit, this is stop loss 1727.14. Okay. No setup for take profit because we are doing scalp trade. Okay, in scalp trade, we only take profit like 10, 20, 30%. Okay, we just click in and out. That's our take profit area. Okay, let me show you. Most of our take profit area are in those amount. Okay, 10, 20. We don't have to huddle for long. Okay, there are times people who wait, but that's fine. But for our strategy, price action, it's 10 to 30. Okay? Okay. And we are lessening our strategy, our lessening our risk. Okay. So, this is the stop loss and then short and then you click sell short. Okay? So, if you click the sell short, let me try. Cost value 50. Okay, so it's gonna cost you 49.71. Okay, and then sell short, you click it. But this time it says enter take profit price because we don't have take profit price, so that means we cannot use this one right now. So we erase it. We don't click this and then sell short. And then this is the detail. Okay, so this is our trigger. Okay, confirm. So what happens is that you will find it in the open order and then you find it in the trigger order. You can find it in phone, the same. Phone and laptop or computer, you see it in trigger order. So now this is your trigger order. Now you edit your take profit and stop loss. So you edit it here. You place your stop loss. What's your stop loss? Let's check our stop loss. Our stop loss is 1727.14. So 1727.14. Okay. And then for take profit, let's say you're gonna set this up to 30%, or let's say you're gonna put it to 20%. Okay. So this is the basic. And then you confirm. So you have your take profit, you have your stop loss. Okay. And once it gets triggered, it will move to position. So it's opened here, and then you can do some manual closing. Okay. For example, right here. Okay, here. For example, this one, I am testing right now a grid trading. Okay, this is a grid trading AI. So this is strategic futures grid trading. If this is good, I will create a video so you can know how to do this one also. This one is in profit already. So you can see the flash close and the close. So if you want to manually close the trade, you just click the flash close automatic. If you want the choose the price 23,178, you just type it here 23,178 and then close. Okay? So that's how it works. This one futures trading, I'm putting at least a $500. So you see 500 and we are testing it out. Okay? So you flash close. Okay. So basically, that's how you follow our signal, okay? Okay, it's not triggered now. As you can see, it's still up. So if it's not triggered after 10 minutes, you click the cancel. Okay, status waiting, you click the cancel. Okay. Okay, why it's necessary trigger? Because our trade is momentum trading, which means which means unless it is triggered, it is in the momentum. If it's not triggered, then it's just swing high, swing low. Okay? It's just a swing high, swing low. For example, let me find some example. BTC. For example, here, I gave a short position for this red candle here. And it was a confirm, and the rest is like here. BTC short. This is the entry 23085, 23085, and then stop loss 23149, 23149. Oh, this is wrong. This would be 249. Okay, 23249. But this is already done, so it's okay. It's canceled already. So this is a breakout or a momentum trade. So if it's a confirm, then it wait for our trigger here and then rides to the downside. Okay? We will be able, if it gets hit and then trigger and continue to the downside. If it doesn't trigger, that means we are just bouncing back and forth. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Okay? So, if you don't follow my instruction and you choose market and then you say, why is Sir RJ dropping a entry short 1699 and then the price is 1713? It's it's not good. I think I should start riding from here so that I can make more to the downside. Okay, you think it that way? And then what happens next? When you ride from here, since it's not a confirmed momentum trade to the downside, then what happens is it start going up and now you are in negative. You might get lucky and continue to the downside, but what if you don't get lucky? So you lose money again. Okay? That's why you don't use market, you don't use limit unless I say so. Okay? But I always say trigger. We are always in the trigger order. Okay? Let me make that clear. So that's the importance of trigger order because unless it's trigger, then it's confirmed. We have so many confirmation way. We have so many uh, w- ways to find the confirmation. And the last part of confirmation is when our entry gets triggered. Okay? Okay. And even when we hit our entry, there is always a chance for stop loss. You can still hit your stop loss. Sample, our stop loss is right here. There are times that you hit your stop loss because our strategy is 75 to 80%. It's not a 100% strategy. There is no strategy that has 100%. That's where your risk management will help you. Okay, will protect you. That's when it will help you. That's why it's important to follow risk management. Okay. So basically, that's it. That's how you follow our signal. Okay. If you have any question, drop your question below. Okay, if you want to join our group because you are not in our group yet and you just saw this on YouTube, then you can just click the you just scan the QR or click you just you just click the link of our Telegram community and then you will be redirected there and admins will take care of you from there. Okay? Okay. So what else? Okay, that's short. And if it's long, let's say, let's find a long position here. Do I have a long here? BTC, short, short, short. Okay, I don't have not much signal. Okay, here BTC long. So for example, BTC long 23,520. Okay, 23,520. So this is last example. Okay, so just making sure that you get it. Okay. BTC and then isolated long. What is the leverage? Let me check. Leverage is 40. Okay. Our leverage is always computed well, okay? Based on our stop loss area. 40. Confirm. Okay, so you have a 40 long and then trigger order. What's your entry? 23520. 23520. And then if you want market, you can do market. But if you want 2, 3, 5, let's say long. So this can be 21 or 22 or 23. Making sure, or maybe you want it 24, making sure that your entry will be triggered. Because if so many following my signal, some might not get hit. Okay, and then you place your cost value, let's say $50, and then buy long. This is trigger, so it won't be trigger. Okay, 23.5 confirm. Okay, and then you get it here, trigger, and then you edit your stop loss. Your stop loss, what's your stop loss? Stop loss would be 23,083. 23,083. Okay, 75% risk from your trade. And then here, ROE is for the percentage. Let's say you want to take profit 20%. Okay, and then confirm. Okay, and then you just wait for it to get triggered, and then it will all played out. Again, if you want to manually close, you go again in the trade, and then you just click the flash close. Okay, and then it will close. This will be expensive for fees, so I don't encourage you this one. Maybe you can just check 123 175. So you adjust 23 175 and then you close. Okay? So you will save fees. You will save the fees. It will be cheaper. Okay? Limit order is cheaper. So if you do the market, that's gonna be expensive. And flash is a market order. Okay? Okay. I think you got it right already. So if you have any question about it, okay, we drop like we check 6 coins every day, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins, but we only drop 2 to 3 signal at an hour, okay? And you are not encouraged to follow all. Maybe you can choose 2 signal or 1 signal only. Okay, based on your capital always. And we always teach risk management like zero point 0.5 per trade. Like for this account, zero point 0.5 is like $50, so that will be safe. That will protect you from the drawdowns. Okay? Okay. So I'll cancel this now, okay? Okay, so I think that's it. And then for deposit and withdraw, maybe you want to know deposit and withdraw also. So let's say you want to deposit in your Bitget account. Okay, let's say you want to deposit from your Bitget account. There are you can use the deposit, click the deposit. Okay, it should be in the spot. Okay, our funds right now is in futures, so you cannot see the USDT here in spot. So you can click deposit here, and then you choose USDT, and then you choose the chain name. You use the TRC or BSBP, BEP, or you can use TRC. This is the most common, $1 only. And then click this deposit address, copy, and then paste it to your other exchange where you will be withdrawing or depositing. For example, your funds will be coming from different asset. So for example, this is your Binance. Let's say this is your Binance, and you're gonna transfer your funds from Binance. So what you're gonna do is you withdraw from Binance. For example, this is Binance, okay? Click the withdraw, and then BT's USDT, and then chain link TRC, and then paste here the withdrawal address. Okay, this is the deposit address of this one. Okay, WF, that the last letter, and here WF, and then you click the amount how much you want to withdraw, and then submit. Okay, basic, that's it. And then you wait from 5 to 15 minutes, and it will be transferred to your Bitget account. Okay, I hope this is clear. So I think that's it for deposit. And for withdraw, the same thing. You want to withdraw, so deposit, withdraw. So withdraw from your Bitget account to other account. So you get your, let's say this is your Binance account. So you go to deposit. Okay, for example, this is your Binance. You're gonna go to deposit because you're gonna take the funds from the other exchange, which is Bitget, and you transfer it for Binance. For example, this is your Binance. Okay, so you click deposit, you get your chain link. Okay, not BTC, USDT, and then TRC20, and then this is your deposit address. So you transfer from Bitget to Binance. Copy and then you paste it here. So withdraw USDT, Chainlink, TRC20. It should be the same address, okay? And then you paste and then you put the funds, okay, total and then submit. Okay? Okay. If you want to transfer from the same exchange, Bitget, you use internal funds and then use UID number and then you get the UID number where you want to send the funds. So there will be no fees, free. The fee will be free. So you will be able to send it to this different UID which you know. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, that's it. So all the best. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you'll be able to get a grasp of BitGet. Okay? And I hope you'll be able to follow our signal accurately. Okay? All the best. Let's make more money. Cheers. Bye bye. Bye bye.